Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over this weapon light called Cronhawk is a company. Just high lumen tactical flashlight. It's rechargeable. It was $29.99 online, and I almost didn't buy it because it was so cheap. But aluminum body, figured why not? Let's try it out. Let's take a look at it. All right, so here it is, 700 lumens, 180 meter beam distance. I'm gonna have to test that one out. 1.5 hours, that would be surprising. Its rating for water and stuff's the same as everything else. It's the IP66. Basically, most of these things you see made in China. I'm pretty sure that this is a used item. Like, I'm almost positive, or someone sent it back because the box is messed up. So in the box we have, there's the light, and that's actually seems pretty solid for $30. Here's the charging port. So it's only got one screw to hold it on, which is okay, I guess. I have another, well, it's actually a laser, and it has two. It would seem more sturdy with two. But yeah, you can see. Can you see that? I really think this is a used item. Anyway, there's one. Strobe. I wonder if that's, they must only have one setting. All right. Here's the bag. I don't know why you would need a bag. It's supposed to be on a light. Charger. And the instructions. And I thought there was supposed to be a screwdriver with it or something. What's in the box? Light, screwdriver. Yep, this is used. There's no screwdriver in here. Yeah. Anyway, I'll be sending this back. Only $30, but you know what? If you paid new, you want new. We are going to try them on these, and per YouTube's new rules, I cannot show putting the light on, which you shouldn't need help with anyway. Okay, here it is on the dagger, and that's not what I'm going to run it on, but it was a good test fit. This is clear. Let's see. That, I got long fingers, and that's just right, but yeah, that should work. So there we go. Choose the three. It has a spring, so you can push out and just pull it off easy. Let's see what it looks like on this. I lucked out with this, and these colors are extremely close. This is clear too, for anyone wondering, or YouTube. That's a little bit lighter, but I like how slim this is, honestly. Look at that. All right, let's try this on the Canic. All right, there it is on the Canic, and that fits perfect. That's quite nice. Almost, well, there you go. When you actually hold it, it's easier to hit. I don't think I can get it with my thumb if I go way up out of the way. But yeah, that's the Cronhawk. And there's really no name. It just says high bright tactical flashlight. Is it worth it? It looks good. It's all aluminum. It seems, I mean, I've seen $40 ones that seem cheaper than this. It says hot. It has an LED. I don't know how hot it gets. We'll try it out. One thing I do like about the Olight's the quick release. It's easy. It has a charger here. This is for a build coming up. Not really a build, but you guys will see probably in a week, maybe 2 weeks, depending on shipping. But this is for another project. And so I decided it's a budget build. It's a budget build pistol. So let's go ahead and do, I don't know how hot that's going to get. I mean, I'm going to leave it on for a while and see. But yeah, so we're going to do a budget build. I'm not going to do a test on this to see how durable it is or anything, because I'm sending this back and I don't want them being like, well, you must have dropped it, or you must have put it in water, froze it. You must have thrown boards on it. So of course it's missing parts, whatever excuse they might have. I did get it off Amazon. So they're usually actually pretty good. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.